Life today feels like a storm noise everywhere, deadlines, social pressure, and endless distractions. But true peace isn't about escaping the chaos, it's about building a sanctuary within it. You hold the key to your own serenity, and it starts with small, intentional choices. In this video, I'll share 7 simple rules to help you create a calm, unshakable mind in a chaotic world. The way you begin your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Instead of reaching for your phone, start with a few minutes of silence, deep breathing, gratitude. Set a single intention for your day: calm, focus, gratitude, and let it guide you. A calm morning equals a calm mind. We're bombarded by information, news, social media, notifications, all fighting for your attention. Protect your mental space, turn off non-essential notifications, set boundaries on news and social media, and unfollow accounts that drain you. Think of it as a mental diet. The less junk you allow in, the more space you create for clarity and peace. Be the gatekeeper of your mind. Your breath is the remote control for your emotions. When stress hits, try box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Just 5 rounds can slow your heart rate and melt away tension. Calm breathing leads to calm thinking. Your environment shapes your mind. Spend 10 minutes a day tidying one area: your desk, your bed, or your kitchen counter. A clean space signals control and safety to your brain, making it easier to relax and focus. Outer order creates inner calm. Your energy is precious, guard it. Limit time with chronic complainers and energy drainers, set boundaries when needed. Seek out people who inspire calm and positivity. Your relationships should recharge you, not drain you. Peace is also about who you choose to be around. In a world addicted to busyness, stillness is a superpower. Take 10 minutes each day to do nothing: no phone, no music, just breathe. At first, it's uncomfortable, but over time, it recharges your mind and sharpens your focus. Stillness is where clarity and peace are born. Make space for quiet. Most anxiety comes from trying to control the uncontrollable. Focus on what you can influence: your actions, your reactions, and mindset. Write this down: control the controllable. Release the rest. Control the controllable. Release the rest. This shift brings true peace. These 7 rules are your blueprint for inner calm. Start small, choose 1 or 2 to practice, and you'll feel the shift. Peace isn't found outside, it's built inside, one choice at a time. Remember, chaos is external, but peace is your power. Stay strong, stay calm, and I'll see you in the next video.